Hello, how are you guys? Today we are going to learn how to take measurements to make the basic skirt pattern. This pattern is the most important for our skirts, as several models originate from it. I also want to explain a little bit about the auxiliary guideline and where it is located. Having said this, let's start. Today we will learn how to take the measurements correctly to make the skirt pattern. We will measure waist circumference, hip circumference, desired length, hip height, and the first hip, also known as the dot. Before taking the measurements, we must place an auxiliary guide on the low waist, which is located 2 fingers below the navel. We must also ensure that the auxiliary guide is aligned, both in the front and in the back. Once the auxiliary guide is in place, we will start taking measurements. Number 1. Waist circumference. It is taken by wrapping it around the auxiliary guide. Number 2. Hip circumference. It is taken from the most prominent part of the navel downwards in a circular manner. When taking this measurement, we must ensure that the measuring tape passes through the most prominent part, both at the back and the side. Number 3. Desired length or total length of the skirt. We will take this measurement on the back from the auxiliary guide downwards like this. We must always recommend taking this measurement on the back and not on the side because the curve at the back is greater than the curve on the side and front. This can affect our desired length as the skirt may end up shorter if we take it from the wrong side. Number 4. First hip measurement, also known as a dart. It is taken before reaching the most prominent part of the navel downward. This way, we will place the measuring tape. Then take it vertically from our front, using the measuring tape and the auxiliary guide as a reference. If you find it difficult to take this measurement, here I will leave you the measurement board to know how much to use for each size. Sizes 8 front, 10 back. Size M, 9 front, 11 back. Size large, 9.5 front, 11.5 back. And size extra large, 10 and 12. The +2 is for converting from front to back. To help you understand, here we have the basic front pattern and the basic back pattern. The first hip measurement is the dart. Front, we have 8 and back 10. The difference is 2 centimeters, which can vary up to 3. If you are enjoying this valuable content, give it a like, comment, and share so that YouTube recommends it to more people. And go ahead, subscribe to this channel so you don't miss the second edition of Take and Measurements. Now, let's continue. Number 5. Hip height is taken the same as the first hip, but this time we will reach the most prominent part from the navel downwards, using the measuring tape and the vertical guide as a reference. Here, we have an example of how to correctly take the measurement for hip height. I hope this video is very helpful for your basic skirt patterns. You can't miss the next video because we are going to learn how to take measurements for basic pants. If you aren't subscribed, go ahead, subscribe, so you don't miss the new things I bring to this channel. New content, new project. Guys, support the project and remember that I already have the rules PDF for you to download on Telegram. Bye.